Problem Solved is supported by ACAM, a property management company serving the New York metro area and South Florida since 1983. Focusing exclusively on third-party property management, ACAM delivers a wide range of services, including capital project management, compliance, energy management, staff hospitality training, and industry-leading technology. To learn how ACAM can service your building, visit acam.com today.
Welcome to Problem Solved, a conversation about problems that have been solved in New York co-op and condo buildings. I'm Paula Chin, and my guest today is Eugene Ferrara, president of the consulting and engineering firm JMA Consultants. Boards have been bracing themselves as they file and plan for the 9th cycle of the Facade Inspection Safety Program, or FISP. And with good reason, since requirements are more strict and repairs are going to be more costly than ever. What kind of cost increases are we looking at?
They're substantial. So to use an example for a building 15 stories, you're looking at double or triple the numbers for your FISP inspection. Anywhere from $31,000 to $53,000, where in the past you were looking at $9,000, let's say last time, the project costs were somewhere around $850,000. That project is in excess of $1.2 million or more. Then insurance rates have gone up, permitting has gone up, regulations from the building department have gone up, and enforcement from the building department has gone up.
How much have supply chain issues contributed to the increases? And what kind of delays are you seeing as a result?
Unfortunately, just recently, New York City and United States got hit with a roofing supply issue to do with oil-based products, anything to do with insulation, polyurethanes, and so forth, have been backlogged. So if you need to do a roof project and you have insulation in that project, and you have to meet the new energy code, you could be 10 months out or more from the time you order your insulation to the time it arrives at your site. And the reality here is that you can't really budget. So I tell boards, buy your projects as early as possible. Make sure your contractors are buying their products early on and warn them that they're not going to be given any increases during the course of the project if they cannot prove that they had something out of their control. So if you know how much insulation you need, you better be ordering it the first day you get that contract signed and lock in your numbers.
Boards overall being realistic about planning and budgeting?
I see the number one problem is new board members are not capable of absorbing all the information that they need to manage their property. And what I mean by that is you have the gas testing for the risers. You have energy code, energy audit. You have elevator upgrades. You have testing of the water tank. You have HVAC, the cooling tower testing. When they realize that they can't stop the increases in the maintenance and the assessment, the first question they ask is, what is the bare minimum I can do?
Given that you're seeing more unseasoned boards, what strategies, if any, have worked well in convincing them to take action?
You can try to educate them. You speak candidly. Just last month, I had a board that had a job and it was ready to go with $1.2 million. They hadn't done a job in 10 years and they knew that they had to take care of this, or at least the last board did. And they were balking. And I said, listen, do me a favor. While you're doing your thinking, could we start negotiating with one or two of the lower bidders and keeping them on the line and asking them for their best and final? Okay. So we did it. So, of course, the 9th day, the board member calls me up and he goes, I think we're ready to go. So I make the phone call and I go to the contractor. I said, we're ready to go. He goes, Gene, the reason why I said 7 business days is as you supply companies, the first of the month, raise their rates. I promise you, I will not raise my labor, but all the materials in the job basically have gone up 8%. And the board member goes, I can't believe this. Like, about 15 minutes later, he calls me back and he goes, I'm sorry. Give me the best price you can and let's get started. So if you're really honest with the people and you give them the right warnings, I feel the same pain in my own home. I postponed something because I was too damn busy trying to file the FISP reports, and I postponed some. So I went back to the contract and he goes, I'm sorry now, but 10% more. I learned my own lesson twice.
Gene, this has been really informative. Thank you so much for joining us today.